Hi, Ben here in my SleepWise pyjamas, ready to show you how you can put on your sleep study. The major piece is this one here, which comes on this black belt. You can swing it round and feed it through here before sliding it all the way back around your back until you can find on the strap where it sort of velcros into place. You can then attach the effort sensor here at the front. This one here is your blood oxygen monitor and pulse monitor, and in this bag there'll be a nasal cannula which will record your airflow through them. These two pieces go into your nose here, and then this bit goes around the back of your ears before you tighten up and under here. And then with a little twist, this slides into the monitoring box here. We give it a press. If you put the battery in, it'll turn on and show you some lights. But there's a very good video made by this company, and we'll give you a link to that so you can see how that works as well.